Hey friends, back again. This time I want to talk a little bit about noise in your meetings. So we're on a ton of calls anymore. We're doing virtual learning, we're doing remote teaching, we're in our home office working, and it never fails right when there's an important moment in the call and it's our turn to speak. A package is delivered, the dog starts barking, our child runs in and needs help but runs into the door, starts crying. It's a fiasco. Tons of background noise. Teams released a new feature that's going to help with that. I want to show you how to turn it on and give you some examples of how it works when it's set to the default of automatic and how it sets when you crank that noise isolation up to a high level. Enabling noise suppression, really simple. You're going to start by clicking on your profile at the top right of the Teams application and then navigate to Settings. From Settings, we're going to click Devices, and noise suppression will show up under audio devices. So with the default you'll see here is auto, and it's kind of funny. I'm recording this and you may be hearing in the background, my dog is actually barking right now and my doorbell went off because I have a package being delivered. So we're going to fix that. We're going to go into noise suppression here and change this to high. Now, the examples I'm going to show, the first one where I have noise suppression set to off or auto is what I was using. And then the second option is going to show you what it sounds like when you turn this up to high. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on high and then take a look at how it works. Okay, so right now we have noise suppression set to the default value, which is automatic. And basketball is pretty big where I'm at. So I want to start with showing you what it sounds like with a loud basketball dribble. It's pretty loud. It does the same with clapping. Let's try that. It's loud. It's disruptive. Let's see what happens next. Here we are. Same test. This time I have noise suppression set to high so that we can block out all that background noise. Let's do the same test. Basketball and clapping. That's pretty dang good. That may be one of the best features released recently. I'm not sure how the heck they do it, but it seems to work. So a couple things about this feature. Right now, at the time I recorded this, it's only supported on the Teams Windows desktop application. Keep an eye out. I'm sure that's going to land on Mac and on the web and all the mobile applications as well at some point. But as of today, only Windows Teams desktop client. The other thing is that your processor has to support the AVX2 functionality. So if you're not seeing it show up, then that could be part of the problem. And then the last piece of information is, as with most technology things, it's going to take up a few more resources on your computer. Personally, when I was testing it, I didn't see any performance impact, but there are some extra CPU cycles and potentially some memory that'll be in use for the high noise suppression. Try it out. Let me know how it works, and we'll see you next time. All right, so what do you think? Was the video helpful? If so, like it. Just go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. And if you want to be real generous, I'm on Twitter at Millhouse. That's Millhouse with a 0. Cheers, y'all.